Hi, and welcome to our video on reporting. In this short video, we're going to go ahead and pull up a report, fill in some parameters, run the report, and then I'll show you the options and how you can save that output. It's really very straightforward. We're going to go ahead and start off here. I've already logged in, and I'm going to go here to my main menu. I'm going to come down here to reporting, and then I'm going to click on report. This will bring up a list of reports that are available on the system. You can see that I started off looking at the All Reports category, which shows all the reports in the system. You can search for reports within your list by clicking in here into the search name and typing in something. So like if I was looking for a student mailing labels report, I could type in student mailing labels. That's the name of the report. Click on the little search here, and you can see right here, here's my report. So that's one way of finding it. Now if I wanted to, I could also go ahead and go here on the categories to my left and click on student. You can see there's 56 reports there. And I could look through this list of student reports and find that very same report here as well. So there's different ways of finding the reports that you need. If you know the name, it's as simple as going to All Reports and clicking into the search box and locating it that way. Or if you just want to search through and look for all the different reports and see what they have available, you can look at them by category here on the left-hand side. So let's go ahead and let's run a very simple report. I actually had created a report called a birthday list, and here it is right here already on my screen. So to run it, I just click on the run icon here on the left-hand side. That queues up the report, and it's done. And now I can download the results. This report was designed from the beginning to go ahead and export its results into an Excel file. So when I click on download results, you can see that the file comes down as an Excel file, and then I can open it and see the output. That's a very, very simple report, and it has very limited output options. Now let's take a look at another report. Let's go back to that student mailing labels. So let me go here to All Reports. Let me click here on student mailing labels. Here it is. So let me click on run for this report. And you can see I can go ahead and I can either print the guardian name or I can print the student name. So I'll say yes for the guardian name and no for student name. I can select a single family, or I can select a range of students. If I click on the plus sign, you'll see that I now have a whole list of options I can pick from. I can say I only want a certain grade levels. So like, let me see here. If I wanted to, right now it has 9th grade. I could also additionally select, say, 10th grade. And now I'm going to get 9th and 10th. I can select for gender. I can select for just particular homerooms, advisory. I can go ahead and say I want by student last name, A through Z, or first name. There's lots of different options. Once I select my options, then I can go ahead and click on Run Report. The system will go ahead and queue up the report, and then here is the output. Now what I can do is, after I have this output, I can go ahead and save this output by downloading it as a file to my PC. I can click on print, and what will happen is this report will be generated out to a PDF that will then be downloaded to my PC. I can export it as a text file, a CSV file, and I can just optionally just decide to save the results in my report queue for a certain number of days. And you can see there's a lot of versatility to how you can export the results of a report. You know, if I look at the report and I decide that I didn't like it or it doesn't have what I need, I can go ahead and just jump right back here to reports and look for another report to run. And that's all there is to running a report. The next thing that we're going to learn is how can we schedule a report to run on a regular basis. And that's really handy if you want to get a particular kind of report sent to you either on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. And we'll be doing that next.